Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea&Art. I hope you all are well. So let's start today's video. So I received this package kindly by a company named Light Wish. So I received this package and let me show you their pigments. So the set goes by the name Starry Color series and it has 5 colors in it. So the color seems to be amazing. So let's see how it looks like. So by the look of these pigments, they look like mica pigments and the interference one. So this is a green shade and I'm just shaking it to see if I can see the color. And then this is the blue one. And after that, I think this is the gold. And then we have a red one. And this is the purple. So let's start the project. So for this project, I selected this mold here. This is my ammonite mold and it is such a lovely mold. I haven't used it a lot. So I have made one video on this mold and I will link it above so you can see how it looks like. So I thought why not test these color in this mold. So I'm taking out all the colors here. So this is actually a ammonite dressy mold. So I have taken 5 containers here and I will be dividing them equally. I have mixed my resin. So the resin that I'm using here is by Let's Resin. It's 1:1, low viscosity resin. So after dividing my resin, now I will be putting these colors. So I have 5 colors, so I will be using all of them. So yes, it is an interference color and this is looking interesting. Let me just add the colors first, then we will mix it. So I have mixed all the colors and I just love how these interference color look like. So let's start pouring. So this is my mold and I will be pouring all of these colors one by one. So starting off using my first color, and this is the gold one. So this is my first color and upon pouring this color, it's looking so beautiful. And now it's time to pour the second color. And I'm pouring the third color now. So you can see how undertone of a beautiful interference is in them. And then here comes the blue. All of these are my favorite. I can't select one of them because they all are amazing. So this is done now and I will leave this one. So after that, I will be adding all of these colors in one container and I will be doing a sort of dirty pour, you can say. So now I will be pouring this into this abstract heart form. So the mold was small, so I think I need a bigger mold, and you can see how lovely the colors are looking when I'm pouring them. So I'm hoping that I get some sort of effect when I'm just pouring them like this. So after that, I will leave this to cure and I will see you next day. So this is the next day and I'm super excited to demold it. I was planning to add a black resin on top, but at the moment I really want to see the color only. So I didn't do that. I just want to see how the colors look like by themselves. So the colors are looking lovely and I can see each of them. So this is how they're looking like, and they are so beautiful. I really can't explain to you, but with this drizzy effect, all of these colors are looking amazing. So I just love these, and I think we can do a lot of projects with these Starry Night Mica pigments. So let's see how our heart look like. So this is how it's looking like. Yeah, I can see the pigments are a bit lost in this one, but still it is looking lovely in person. The camera is not picking it, but the heart is lovely and I can see all the colors. So I was deciding on what to do next with this one because this is not complete yet. So I am using my gilding glue. Yes, you heard me right. So this is my gilding glue. This is my best friend. I always use this glue on my lot of projects. So now what I will be doing here is you can see the outlines. I will be doing all of it. So I will be doing all the outlines of this ammonite. And after that, I decided to do the heart also. And I leave this. And after 24 hours, this glue gets sticky and when it's dried. So this is the mirror gold that I will be using on top of my ammonite here. So ladies and gentlemen, let's see the magic that will happen now. So interesting to watch. Just gently rub this foil onto the glue and now you will see the ammonite will be completely transformed. So here we go. Yeah, there are some spaces left, but I will be applying the mirror gold again and again to just fill up all the gaps that we have. But the ammonite has been transformed into something really amazing now. So I will be gently just putting up the foil against the ammonite and to complete my gold effect. So now doing the same onto the heart.
Made a 3D shell. आपने ever try किया कुछ 3D बनाने का?
बस come on. So after putting up the mirror gold, I can see some gaps there. So I decided to use a gold foil instead of the mirror gold here because I want a perfect look to this heart. So I'm just applying the gold foil. And after that, I will brush off the extra foil. So the foil has been applied and now I will be just brushing off the extra bits. So I just love how this looks like, the ammonite, but still I wanted to give it some depth. So I'm just putting this felt fabric underneath my ammonite here. So instead of pouring a resin, I sometimes put some felt underneath my coasters. So this is what I'm doing. So this is the glue that I will be using. So I'm just putting it underneath the ammonite. So after that, I'm putting my felt and I just cut it according to the size of the ammonite. So there is a little bit of extra felt. I will just trim it off, and actually this is the final step and we will see how this all looks like. So this is the final look, and the heart was just a leftover resin. I just wanted to see how it looks like, but it's looking amazing with that gold foil on the edges. It's such a lovely look, and this ammonite has my heart. It looks so beautiful and the colors are amazing. I know I need to explore these colors more, but I really wanted to test them, how they look like. So you can see these colors are, so this ammonite is definitely looking like something from the space, the colors and everything. So I will put the link for these colors in my description if you like to treat yourself, and I just love them. They are perfect instead of using mica, because sometimes mica leaves a little bit of powdery into the resin. So these mix really well in the resin. Just love it. So if you like to treat yourself, they will be in my description box. So like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider do so, and take good care of yourself. Bye bye.